Sonko ede eba too much GHS so Ghana wahala jumedie na ebre asonse so for money aba ekes kapa mede eba somo na ebusiafo ene de ya me ne wo ekase it is alleged it is alleged say eye yankasa ye nuaba atese dodo na enimu no ewo eye Nollywood emu Genevieve Nnaji yenkofo bi de ba to abonten say or was some mental sickness be and also go through some mental issues be more and only allegations and rumors are circulating na no na nam so ma wo mo edueduemu nkoko hu se ni IG page so no ya dear search as wa unfollow wo bia na ebi mu so we delete ni post bia ewo enu ntem na nam so ma do na aka se na che se information a wo mo tete no nokure bi ewo na ne de ya me ne wo ekase wonu ankasa na adwuma ye ni anase obi a woni no etwa sini na adi a che se wonu so ni din ede Georgina onio ha waba bonten ede nsem bia ba betu edwa afa the alleged issues a wo mo eka ede efa Genevieve Nnaji no ehum na no na wo kire mu esem as doctor ni anase nurse ni ahobambo adwuma ye ni no wo de NSA website say chese bibia mu ene wono ma wo be leak obi information ede abeto abontinti nurse ni wo di se adwuma na ewo se mra no eni no nyonyo because the ban is saying na wo bi DS obi abepie mu ewo wayaresa bia mpa wo di ne ho information ebeba abeto abontin na ye nua Georgina wo de ne nsem no etu edwane abusuafo mo ma me kwan na menkenkan emfa ema mo say we need to be wary of the kind of information we consume on social media. Most of them are lies from the pit of hell. I have known and worked with Jeannie for over 20-something years, even before the industry was called Nollywood. We enjoyed our 90s working so hard entertaining Africa. The last time I saw her and we chatted was in 2015, a sweet and kind soul. I don't know anything regarding her private and personal life and don't have anything to say to that effect. And I don't believe the base between post online. So you don't expect anything from this post other than me saying that what is being done to her online is criminal. It is the worst kind of defamation. It's the worst kind of defamation. If you are a health practitioner working in any hospital in America and you are leaking any patient's health information to the public, you are committing a crime. A healthcare worker spreading such lies has broken both state and federal law in America. It is a HIPAA violation of Patient Privacy Act. It is punishable by fine, license revocation, and time imprisonment. To my dear Jenny family, your child and sister have been violated with all the shenanigans making around on social media. She gets a lawyer to hold all accountable for this smear. It is morally reprehensible to subject anyone to such cruelty. Health information is confidential and protected by law. If you are a blog that has posted these fallacies about this young woman, I hope you know you are on notice. It is sickening that our people are cold and cruel. As a health worker, you took an oath to do no harm. Whether it is true or not, I don't know, and I am not interested. I know that whoever did this has committed a federal and a state crime. Please, public figures in Nigeria, this should serve as a wake-up call for you all. Before you enter any hospital or do anything with anyone nowadays, please sign a non-disclosure agreement. Our society has become so vile and criminal. People now enjoy the pain they put people through. They need weekly at the expense of others fuel certain segments of the Nigerian society. It is unfortunate. Protect yourself, your family. You deserve a right to privacy. And no any Georgina nensa much as a wade ebabeto abontin as which more as health worker or what United States to be precise Texas would di in Simuna say Genevieve Piemo or my Sabia no man say Aria Ben or deba said then or deba no only information I was a Busiano and so na nyo no kwa sisi oge enso so ababonten nsem and I want so ebe kasa e de efa ho no de wo fa eye Genevieve a picture and I just want so e tro nsem mako mienu bi e wo eye asem o si dear Genevieve, I don't know when you took this picture, but when I began searching for a good picture of you, do you even take bad pictures? I came across this and I chose it out of many stunning ones online for many reasons. I look that I look that I like that look on you. The fairness of your chin and cheeky come to me, gaze in your eyes. Those lips, they may be stern, but they betray an ever so light smile. In fact, a lot of your pictures are like that. Actually, I wonder, do you ever have a deep tear inducing belly laugh? I bet you when you are with those friends, the family, those who guard your trust, your well-being, the space where the onset is a given and every set is comforting, a place where your bloom is tender with care, our thorn snip with love home. Dear Jenny, not quite from the block, but still our Jen. This is just a hashtag love letter to you to let you know that whatever it is, we love you. God got you. Hashtag love letters to Genevieve. Not just a ebusiam and no any a yes see oge and so edia wode ebaya watch le eye wodom ede amaye nuano a wo kire mu as a bibi biara wo kom no na just a one more eka eye no ne yankopon so eka eye eho na enu na Ghana for do na ne eye nuano Nigeria for no enso so acha wo madwen ede afa ho ese se anyim bia wo bi yare na nipa no abusua enye na adwen se wo de ensem oba beto abonten a solicite for ye ne fans pai ba wo as a health worker yeah ana ehu hia so wutimi ba bonten ebebe leak information e different nipa no say an or go you through mental issues because of drugs ne de ka these allegations no one more level against Genevieve and now so ama Georgina e na no etumo hu ne say ebusuafo sorry because the worst defamation ever also say na hu no esi ever waje ntwe no fabra ebeto your comment section like videos na share na yenkan hu no say ma ye ni nkofo efombo ana wo ma hwe ase hu because obi enim do nko a ade ebechi so media ene ekuya sikapa makram